Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about three useful formulas in Microsoft Excel. So after this tutorial, you will be able to enhance your Excel formula skills. Let's dive into video. So very first formula is round formula. The purpose of round formula is if you want to round off the decimals according to our choice, we use this formula. So I wrote down the formula here as well. So it start with is equal to ROUN. The first one, press tab, start of bracket, click on the cell to get the cell reference, then comma. For example, I want two decimals after point, so I will just write 2, close of bracket, press enter. Now you can see it's giving me just two decimals after point 25.23. If I want to copy this formula, just drag from the bottom and it will copy the whole formula for me. Let's move on to next formula. Next formula is length. If I want to find out the length of any cell, if I want to find out the length of the characters or numeric within the cell, I will use length formula. It start with is equal to LEN. Press tab, click on cell reference, close of bracket, press enter. It's giving me 9. It means there are 9 numerics in this cell. So just drag from the bottom to copy the formula. So it's giving me 3 alphabet in the next cell, 7 numeric, 5 and 10. Let's move on to the next formula, code, to find out the code of any alphabet within the Microsoft Excel. So we'll use code formula. For example, if I want to find out the code for the alphabet E, so I will use code formula is equal to COD, press tab, click on the cell reference, click on cell, close of bracket, press enter. Now it's telling me the code for alphabet E is 69. So what that mean? For example, if I keep hold Alt button and then press 69, so it will type E for me. So in this scenario, if I just keep holding Alt button and press 69, it will write E for me because 69 is code for the alphabet E.